Hey Ryan, as promised, this is a little bit short video on this 2007 Avalanche LTZ. V8 engine, fog lights, upgraded rims, running boards. Cruising down the road in this one, very comfortable. Leather seats, heated seats, 4-wheel drive. I got the upgraded navigation stereo. In addition to that, it has separate climate control for both drivers and passengers with the movable foot pedals, backup sensors. Topped off with memory seats and a moon ring. Hey, with the center console in this back seat here, plus the stereo and the air conditioning, I can let my mom and dad drive and be perfectly comfortable in the back seat. No problem, plenty of room. I never even adjusted the front seat from where I had it positioned. We've got the tailgate, followed by a Class 3 hitch. Also got the backup camera. And as we all know, just like the pickup truck, very easy to open up. Top piece folds away, sets to the side, and the whole back window and back section comes out and opens up. Again, can't go wrong with the LTZ Avalanche. This thing, I'll take it anywhere. Not a problem, one of the finest vehicles on the road today. Thank you. Give me a call, 614-743-6144. Ryan, we'll see you soon. Hot dealing.